I live in a dream.
Saan punta? It's inside this bottle.
I'm thinking it's a rice soup.
Nice naman to experience mga local food. It's Hazel! He's on this highway. Ako, pasensya nyo na yung mommy hiding nyo, ha?
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away.
By the way, guys, we're having congee. Masarap yung congee nila dito. Second time to taste it. And this is the only resto dito sa Terminal 1. Medyo Chinese. Saan punta?
Taiwan.
Saan sa Taiwan? Ang laki nun eh. Wow, alam na this.
Alam na.
O, kasi tatanungin ka sa ng immigration, pag di ka nakasagot, bump off ka. Kaya mo?
Welcome to Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport. If your final destination is Taipei.
And just like that, we've arrived safely. Guys, grabe itong flight na to. Sa totoo lang, napakalaki naman ng eroplano pero sobrang unstable. From take-off to landing, masyadong maalog. Parang ito na yata yung pinaka nakakatakot na flight na nasakyan ko. Parang humihiwala yung puwet mo sa upuan for several times. Siguro 80% of the flight is rocky. Anyway, at least we arrived safely. Ino-observe lang kita eh, pero parang okay ka naman eh. This trip is actually a work trip for Taiwan Tourism. It's like a family trip, so I bring Mamang with me. We'll be here in the next 5 days, going around Taiwan. Taiwan is isa sa mga napakadaling puntahan from our country. Almost 2 hours flight lang, nandito na kayo. And this is not pricey.
Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you.
Yes! Juliet! Okay, nice meeting you. So there you go, our pick-up.
Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up.
Thank you. Okay. So this is our room. Malaki din yung bed. Twin. Toilet. Malinis, maayos. Ito naman ang lavatory. Medyo iba ang layout, guys. Toiletries. Oh, kung gusto magkape, ayan, lavatory. Over here, there's a fridge. And then safe. Oh, diba? May blower. Merong sleeper. TV. Working table. Tapos, ito po ang ating view. Hello! So, we gotta go out because we have two activities today. Yung isa is Huashan 1914 Creative Park. And then the second one is Taipei Eye. Doon sa Taipei Eye, manonood tayo ng performance. Tapos doon din tayo magdi-dinner. Sa 1914 Huashan, maraming restaurants and then cultural performances din and art galleries. This is Huashan 1914 Creative Park. Sabi ng ating tour guide, this is a historic site. So it used to be daw a winery. And then yung mga buildings dito, yan, that building as well was constructed by the Japanese in 1914. Hence the name. Yeah, it's big, marami ng shops, and it's also a venue for mga cultural performance. Meron din daw mga art galleries. So, let's see.
Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Mukha nga yung building is marami ng pinagdaanan, guys. Sino yun yung building? Oh, diba? Parang nang dumaan na siya sa maraming wars and all. Okay. Ay, ang ganda ng place. So, here, Science Factory. Ay, ang ganda ng t-shirt. Oh, diba? There's a dog. Ganda ng t-shirt. 650. Guys, so, yung mga plants, diba? It's inside this bottle. Ang daming anik-anik, ha? Wow, it's nice. Oh. Is this a postcard? Postcard pa siya. Oh, yes, it is.
The night is young, so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's.
What's this? Hey, 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 hey. Uy, is it real? Tapos dito na siya nakalagay sa parang stone. Medyo heavy siya. Kaganda. Totoo siyang halaman, ma.
Kami ang binibenta.
Oo, for sale. Ay, ang cute ng wallet na to. Panalo to. You just have to open. Tapos marami kang malalagay. So, do it yourself. So, pwede kang mag-create on your own. Is that so? Like this. Baka you can buy piece by piece. Ayun ang mga price. So, the price depends on the color. Ayan. Pinakamahal, ito. Here, home decor. So, parang mabubuo-buo mo siya, no? Isa-isa. It's like, it's rice. Is this rice, right? We can eat. You should cook it. I'm thinking it's a rice soup. No, it's rice. It's rice. I wanna ask, mga rice, pero hindi ko alam anong mga pagkakaiba. Baka may ibig sabihin. Naka-Chinese eh, so hindi natin alam. So para dito, everything is rice. Tapos meron pang Rice Krispies. Nung bata ako, ang tawag dito ay ampaw. Hello. What's the difference?
This is
Chocolate. Chocolate. Which one of them is the best seller? I think it's this one. I'll try this one. You don't have free taste? Free taste of the items. Let's taste. Hey, parang bata tayo, ganun. Pero the thing is, medyo very light yung sweetness. Maingat na maingat. Ibang nilang klaseng rice. Ang gaganda, no? The rice really looks good. Ito, oh, tingnan nyo guys. So, this Taiwan rice, mga matatabang maliliit. Parang Japanese rice.
If you run away, don't hesitate to
Art gallery. Nice.
just let me know when you're ready to go. I'll be close around if you wanna leave. Don't think twice.
And they are all made of paper, by the way. Ang galing.
Cause as long as you mind, I'll be close behind. So tell
Ayun,
me
kitang bag.
where we go.
I like the bag. So guys, iba-iba ang kanilang mga tinda. This is the tote bag. 880 Taiwanese dollars. These are all sabon sa mukha na moisturizing daw. So they use daw essential oil. Maganda yung amoy. Very subtle. Naisip ko dito si Lush. Although si Lush, very strong. Pero ang ganda, no? Alam nyo guys, for the longest time, hindi ako gumagamit ng mga sabon-sabon na bar na ganito. Lahat sa akin, mga liquid body wash. Pero parang interesting, no? How much is this?
It's 980 from Japanese sake.
Oh, from Japanese sake. 980 Taiwan dollar. Nakakatuwa kasi pag sa mga first world country kayo bumili ng mga ganyan, maganda talaga yung quality. What is your best seller for the perfume? Can I try? Thank you. Is it citrusy, right? I can smell some mandarin. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. Very simple. Frosted. Parang sa akin may dating. Napakalaki nito guys. Mahirap ikutin. Pero as it is, maganda. Okay. May cinema pala. We're now on the second floor. Pero nadaanan ko lang tong mga banana trees. Diba sa atin? Yung mga banana trees is in the province. Dito natin sa city. Well, coffee shop and a bookstore in one. Ang ganda ng feels. Quiet and peaceful. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So we're here at Taipei Eye. Tayo ay manonood ng performance. Parang Chinese na acrobats. Nakakain din mga narito. Here you go. Dito na pala yung start ng Taipei Eye. So the show will start in a few minutes. We are in a theater. And then, nandito sa harap ko yung stage. So, I would think it's a live performance. Hindi na ako magsasalita. Mamaya na kasi mag-start na. Okay? Goodbye. So, it's an hour of performance. And bawal po palang mag-recording. Well, gano'n naman lagi. This is the road at night. Ay, ang hangin. So, ayan ang aming pinanood, guys. Let's check it out. What's in 7-Eleven here in Taipei? Boy! Naiba. They have Quaker, pero liquid. Sugarcane. Very healthy. Ovaltine. Ito yung mga microwavable, guys. So, it's garlic cheese risotto with sausage and chicken. Spaghetti alla carbonara. Social. Thai green curry chicken. So, now, let's find something sweet. Gusto ko ng dessert. Ang laki ng 7-Eleven, guys. Okay. Ang gusto ko red bean na ice drop or ice cream. Wait, hanap tayo. Oh God, syempre. Favorite ni Mami Heidi. What's this? What? Red bean! Oh my God, this is red bean. And black glutinous rice. Pero ang heavy niya. Mung bean, guys. Munggo. Uso sa kanila to eh. Pinakulo ang munggo. Tapos matamis. And this is panalo. Dango. Pero milk flavor. Cute. Pero Ovaltine o... What is this? Parang mochi. Tama ba ako? So this is what I got from 7-Eleven. It's a red bean na ice cream or ice drop. Si Mother din, red bean din sa kanya pero may kasamang pineapple. Pineapple ba? Okay lang. Hindi weird. Ha? Ano ka? Hindi masyadong sweet. Sa'yo sweet na sweet. Hindi masyadong sweet ang mga sweet nila. Finally, makakapagpahinga na rin. It's been a long day today. Ang tulog ko 2 hours lang. Sa aeroplano pa lang guys, gusto ko nang matulog. So going back to the performance, magagaling yung mga nasa play. And I would say very precise, very on point. Hindi ako used to watch those kind of performances, no? Usually, hindi ko siya ginagawa. Pero it's good to like see at least once in a while. Kasi minsan yung mga ganyang performances, it's an attraction ng country na yon, just like dito sa Taiwan. The performance is like parang may mga acrobatics, may mga bumabaliktad, tumatumbling, ganyan. Pero may kwento beside it. Kaya lang syempre, Taiwanese medyo lost ang mommy nyo. Plus the fact that, nice, no? It's a good run today. First day in Taiwan. So tomorrow, gonna go check out, move somewhere north of Taiwan and see yung mga attractions there, especially yung kanilang beach. I remember, malapit na siya sa Yelyu Geo Park, which we will be also visiting the day after tomorrow. It's a very long day today, guys, and I'm happy it's over. Makakapagpahinga na rin tayo. And tomorrow is another day. Good night. Mamang, say good night to them. Good night. Bye! Good morning, gloomy Taipei. May mga bike sa harap. Kahit na yung hotel namin nasa harap ng road, hindi naman ako na-disturb sa pagtulog. Nakatulog ako ng maayos. Hindi maingay. For some reasons, I don't know, baka naman merong soundproof ang hotel. But anyway, yung nanay ko na kanina pa rin nagising, pack na siya, nakaligo na siya, and she's ready to like go. Let's go, mother. Let's have breakfast.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places, makes me laugh.
We have congee. Puting-puti ang congee. Walang timpla, in short. Ito yung pwede mong ilagay. Yan. This one as well. This one also. Ito din. And ito din. Breakfast, I have congee. Siyempre, merong fruit. Some breads, and my fave tofu with chicken and veg. Ayan. Meron akong cranberry juice, tapos, at dahil nandito tayo sa Taiwan, meron tayong milk tea. Hello, mother. Tokwa. Tokwa yan. Yes.
I like the way you're thinking, I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bar.
Dahil sikat ang tea dito sa Taiwan, kukuha ako. For take out. Ayan. Tea rin to. I want yogurt. Your mommy, Heidi is a yogurt baby rather than a Yakult baby. Baby! Yes, why not?
If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime. No, you and me were poor as dirt.
Ready to go. Let's go.
Hey, do you remember? Sneak it out in the night.
We are off to the northern part today, visiting probably a beach. The name is Baishawan Beach. Meron daw white sand. Interesting. Parang ako pag white sand, naiisip ko lagi, Boracay. We're gonna visit also a lighthouse. How about the Shimendong? What we can see in Shimendong?
Okay, rocks.
Rocks,
Yeah,
okay.
Because of the erosion of the sea tide and seaweed, they have a hole, like a dome.
Cave.
Yes.
Okay. And then, moving to Chinbauli. By the end of the day, magstay tayo sa isang seaside hotel. But the weather is not so giving today. It's kind of drizzling. So, medyo naulan. Pero sana mamaya, kahit hindi sumikat yung araw, huwag naman umulan.
Together we will be stronger than all. We can sway but never fall. You are my sunshine on a rainy day.
Currently, we are here in Baisha Bay. Ang lakas ng alon, grabe. Tinalo si Siargao or yung sa north. I forgot the name. Papap ko na lang. Meron silang visitor center. So, this is actually an attraction. Oh, may mga services pala sila dito. Meron pang baggage storage, di ba? Oh, para sa mga moms. Oh, nice. Oh. So, today, guys, is November 24. Probably, sometime, may mga pina-flash sila dyan na you can watch. Oh, Yellow Geo Park. So, it's currently raining din sa Yellow Geo Park. And the temperature is 20 degrees, kaya medyo malamig talaga.
We follow the Danshui River. Go here, and then we follow this way. We go to the.
Okay, so currently we're here. Oh. So even then, parang ang haba nung trail ng map na binyahe namin. It's just an hour. Walang traffic, guys. Dire-diretso.
I know that you are having a hard time right now.
Ang lakas ng alon. Look, guys. Look at this cafe. Diba? It's not giving. Parang ayokong magkape dyan. It's Bobo Cafe. Pag nagtayo kaya ako ng cafe sa Pilipinas, tapos ang pangalan is Pangit Cafe, kakape ba? In Mandarin.
Pop is the leopard.
Leopard.
Yeah, okay.
So Bobo means leopard. Because in the Philippines, when you say Bobo, it's very negative, you know? Apart from mahangin, maginaw. Back in the van, medyo lumalakas yung ulan. Probably si Christine, yung bagyo natin, is coming here. So gonna do lunch first before going to the lighthouse. Hindi giving ang ating weather for the lighthouse. Pero let's see. We're here, parang a sort of cafeteria. And ito yung mga local food nila. And guess what? Etong mga to, they call it dumpling. Yan, parang dumpling, yes, may rice. Tapos may feeling na mga something sa loob. Yeah. So I ordered for this. And then meron din silang popular drink. Ito is a local drink made of seaweed. So I ordered that. Tapos ito naman daw is a plum juice. Ordered din ako ng beef brisket. Oh, mukhang ang sikat, guys. So you can buy it in this packing. And then strawberry, agar-agar. And naku, popcorn. Parang I'm gonna buy this popcorn. I like this. I'm gonna buy this. It's 150 Taiwan baht. So, mga almost 300 pesos. Seaweed, hindi ko lang alam kung ano ang luto dyan. Nice naman to experience mga local food and local thing. Meron siyang something inside. Probably, yun yung seaweed. Parang gulaman, a sort of, meron sa loob. Tapos lasang medyo pandan. Very subtle mga sweetness nila dito. So I am eating a traditional Taiwanese food. And they call it dumpling. Ito pala yung dumpling na sinasabi ng tour guide namin kanina na hindi kami magkaintindihan kasi yung mindset ko of the dumpling, syempre yung ating mga siomai, siopaw, di ba? Yun ang iniisip ko. Which is masarap in a way na meron siyang meat sa loob at saka yung kanin. I like the texture of the rice na medyo makunat. Pork sa loob. Tapos merong egg yolk na salted egg. Yan. Tapos, may chestnut. Meron siyang maliliit na hipon. Like yung dried fish. Kaya masarap. Ito yung kanilang beef noodles. And actually, isa to sa popular food dito sa Taiwan. Okay, so we're here at Fugi Cave Park. So, nandito yung lighthouse. Mahangin kasi. May mga iba pang nagpupunta naman. So, let's join them. We gotta go to the observation deck na lang to see it from afar, yung lighthouse. 200 meters lang. So, let's do this. Maganda sana kung maganda yung weather. This seems to be like a plantation ng something. Oh, it's like a maze. Currently, we are here. Then, we plan to go sana dito sa lighthouse. Pero because of bad weather condition, medyo alanganin tayo dyan. That's a maze. A bike maze. Pero if not only the bad weather, this is a very nice place. Maganda, malaki. Very also family-friendly activity. Kasi nakita niyo naman, di ba, mayroong lola, may bata na nandito. Sobrang hangin lang kasi yung kabilang side nito, yun na yung ocean. Kaya ang lakas ng hangin.
Take your time, fall in line someday.
Makapagayin yung salamig ko. Grabe ang hangin. Tinali ko na yung buhok ko, ha. Sa ganitong weather, wala pa silang bagyo. Okay. Well, this place is nice. Especially kung summer season, ano, hot weather condition. And this place reminds me of a place in Sydney. I forgot the exact name. Pero it's near Bondi Beach. Maganda.
Wave the blues in your
That's the level of
in your
signal number 3 in the Philippines. Wow, almond. Okay. This one. Wow. Currently, we're here at Jinbaoli Old Street. It's a market from morning to afternoon. Since bad weather, parang hindi masyadong marami yung bukas. The shops are almost closed. Busy to eh. Maraming tao dito. Yung parang hindi ka makalakad. Fruit na dehydrated. So this is dehydrated fruit. This one is a sesame jam,
Yeah.
which is eto siya.
Yeah.
Tapos ito naman is a peanut jam, which is this one. Yeah. Marami dito mga something, yung mga Taiwanese delicacies.
Yes.
Try some pineapple cake.
Yes. Yes, we're gonna try. Champoy is it? Ito guava. Dried.
不是你要不要先把你的雨伞收着，不然剪不好。大的
Three taste. These are dried fruits. Ganda ng store niya. What's inside the dumpling? Pork. Pork. And how about this one?
Also pork.
Also pork. We're now here sa temple. This is one of their popular temple. Sinasabi ng aming tourist guide na sa mga temple daw, there's always two doors. Yung second door is the dragon door. Doon ang entrance sa dragon door. Tapos ang exit is always the tiger door. Hi guys, so work is done today. Medyo maagang natapos because of the bad weather. And checking in to our hotel, which malapit sa mga attractions na pinuntahan namin. This is a coastal area, no? So medyo seaside. Ma-feel mo pa din yung hangin, yung lamig. Ayun ang aming tour guide doing the check-in for us. Check-in. Okay. Our room. Wow, we have a king-size bed, too big for myself and Mamang. Okay, meron pa tayo ditong pa-chair. And then, here we have our beautiful bathroom, toilet, shower area, and we have this a sort of a bathtub, or probably this is an onsen, right? I don't know. Now in the room, guys, basically resting, pero hindi ako nagre-rest kasi nagsasagot ako ng mga emails, and ayan ang aking nanay, nagpapahinga na. So the time is just 4:45 in the afternoon, pero the outside doesn't look like it's 4:45, parang alas 6 na dito because of the gloomy weather. By 6:30, we're gonna go down and have our dinner. And iisip ako kung anong masarap kainin. I remember the last time we were here, November 2022, for Taiwan tourism as well. Marami kaming kinainan, masasarap yung kinainan namin, and mostly our popular places. I think they really arrange it to be like that. Kung naalala ko lang na when we ate the Peking duck na masarap. Taiwan, guys, is one country na ang bilis lang puntahan from the Philippines. It's just almost 2 hours na flight, and walang visa, and marami kayong pwedeng mapuntahan. Some of those attractions naman, meron ding mga free. And then kung kayo po ay mahilig sa mga coastal, scenic, marami dito sa Taiwan. Sabi nga nung aming tour guide, 70% of their land area is mountain. Mabundok sila dito, at saka napapaikutan din sila ng dagat. And maraming mga cultural activities, mga photogenic places, Instagrammable, na pupuntahan pa lang natin in the coming days. So if you happen to like planning your Christmas holiday with your family, Taiwan, guys, is really family-friendly na country na pwede nyo mapuntahan. It's a senior-friendly city. Hindi siya mahirap i-navigate. The past 2 days that we were here, pansin ko hindi mahal yung food, no? Very affordable. Yung mga nakakainan namin na mga resto are affordable naman. So parang matipid din na to come here, especially kung matatapatan nyo yung mga seat sale. And then in terms naman ng mga hotel accommodation, activities, you can use my code sa Klook, Heidi Klook, for 5% off. Basically, all travel-related activities na kakailanganin nyo. You can get that discount, and you can use that up to 5 times. Pag naubos na ang Heidi Klook, you can always use Hazel Klook. Ayan. Medyo na-underestimate ko ang weather. Naghahanap ako ng jacket sa aking luggage, pero mukhang wala. Ay! In my last trip, well, sorry guys, Mamang is watching Hazel's vlog. Boses ni Hazel yung naririnig nyo. So, kung in my last trip sa Tokyo, I have excess clothes kasi medyo rush akong nag-pack. Ang dami kong extra. Parang nilagay ko lahat sa luggage ko yung mga damit na kahit hindi ko pala magagamit. So, ngayon, wala naman akong masyadong dala. This time around, sakto lang talaga. Hindi ako nagpa-extra. Only because then I plan to like buy some clothes sa Net. So Net, guys, is a local brand here sa Taiwan. Maganda rin yung quality, and di siya kamahalan, para din siyang Uniqlo GU sa Japan. So I have no choice except to reuse my yesterday's jacket. Mag-repeat tayo ng damit only because giniginawa ko.
Igalan mo yan.
Yes!
Nasaan na yan?
Breeze on this highway. Ako, pagpasensya nyo na yung Mommy Heidi nyo, ha? Ang aking weakness sa life is sumayaw at saka kumanta. So, kung ako naman ay wala sa lugar at sintonado, bear with me, guys, no? Oh, sino dyan ang gustong mag-react si Mommy Heidi sa pag-move ni Hazel sa South Korea? Comment below. Ano, guys? Comment below. Pag-usapan natin yan. So, we're gonna eat here. having lunch here na lang sa restaurant ng hotel. So, downstairs na lang. Kasi we don't have the driver na. So, ayaw na namin maglakad sa malamig. Nagpabagbag pa ako. Ang cute ng bag ko, guys. I wanna flaunt my cute bag from Charles & Keith. This has been with me for like over a year, pero hindi ko nagagamit. It's so cute, isn't it? This is totally new to me. Vegetables.
So please.
Okay. Another veg came in. This is patola.
This is 4, this is 5. Okay.
Ang alam ko, ang feeling nito, nuts to. Yeah. Antique that came in. Who am I talking to? It's Hazel!
Ihaw!
Sheshe! Nagchichikahan kami kanina pa until, nakakatawa, Bi? Loka-loka ka na?
Natatawa ko sa Sheshe.
Sheshe! So, yun na nga. Kanina pa kami nagchichikahan dito. Sabi niya, nag-upload siya ng vlog. So, pinanood ko. So, sabi ko, ay, teka nga, mag-vlog nga rin ako. This is the storyline. So, alam niyo ba yung barote?
Baroto!
Baroto! Do you know baroto? Ako hindi ko kasi alam. So, baroto pala, as per Hazel, is a boat. Bangka na walang katig. So, come to think of it, diba? Pag walang katig, mahirap i-balance. Kasi, diba? I think, nagpapastable at saka parang meron kang feeling of safety. Kung ganun ka ng ganun sa dagat, dahil nga baroto yung sakyan mo. Di parang ganun ka ng ganun, Mare. So, sabi ko kay Hazel, pag sasakay ka pala dyan, dapat ang motto mo sa life, balance is the key. Diba? Okay, diba? Parang you just have to strike balance in every aspect of your life. Hashtag, hugot ni Mami Heidi. Diba? Parang, kasi guys, diba, parang hindi ko kakayanin sumakay sa ganung bangka. Paano nabalanse yun, Mare?
Hindi naman daw talaga tataup eh. Pero dati, alam mo, pinasok siya ng tubig. Kaya nilipat kami sa ibang bangka. Dati talaga tinatawag na kita, Mami! Iyak-iyak na. Hindi ko nagpauso nun. Ba't kasi walang pang-balance?
Oo, diba? At saka parang, igaganon mo yun. Sino mag-aano nun? At some point, paano magagawa yun? Saka minsan kung ang sakay mo hindi balanse talaga, ilan ba ang driver niyan? Isa lang? Nasa unahan siya? O saan pumipwesto ang driver ng baroto? Sa gitna, dun sa unahan, sa dulo. Mag-isa siya, hindi na siya balanse. Diba?